So this time, as I promised, we will take a look at how you convert PDF documents, ebooks, any PLR product in PDF formats into presentations. And we are going to be using these tools here: pdfconverter.com, then pdf2go.com, and investingtech.com. So let's get started. The first one is pdfconverter.com. This is it here. Or I can just go ahead and copy direct this PDF2go. And then third one, invest. Maybe this time we even practicalize it. So investingtech.com. So I'm going to close up this tab. So as you can see here, you can convert from PDF to Excel, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, and we are looking at what PDF to presentations. That's talking about PowerPoint. But aside that, you can convert from PDF to Excel to Word, to then from Excel to PDF, and see other format from JPEG to Word. And you can also merge PDF. So this is a really cool tool, and you can use it majorly, get for free. And there is see, convert PDF files online free in 3 clicks. As a matter of fact, maybe we should just try one. This PDF to PowerPoint. You click on it, and you can pick from Google Drive or Dropbox, or you can just click here and upload direct. Let's just pick a PDF file. I think this will do. Don't know what's in there. Okay, let's open the PDF doc, and then just something Africana. Nope. The complete. I need something that is like not bulky. Something that is not bulky. It is for split testing. Okay, let's go with this. I think 5 ways to get backlink. Okay, let's just go with that. So you put it in, and it doesn't take time. And we are good to go. I think it's converting. I think the file is actually big. So also you can convert, as I said, PDF to JPEG to PNG to text. So it is done already. So we cannot download the file. See, sorry, as you can see, there's the PowerPoint icon is downloading. And also you can convert another file while this is going on. You scroll down, PDF to PowerPoint. This is the one we are using right now. So this is the file, and I'm going to open it up. Take a little bit of time. Okay, see, this is the PDF. So you see, everything has been broken down into a PowerPoint slide, and this is like fantastic. This is cool. This is powerful, and with this you can also do your editing. You can add pictures, you can edit and turn it into something that is like practically totally new. I think this is something really cool. You can put that, take away that and put it something new, change images, add images, fade background, change background and all that. So you play around with the two. It's something really cool. I'm not going to save it. So that's it. Then aside a pdfconverter.com, we also have a pdf2go.com, and see it does a whole lot as well. You can completely change any PLR product you have in PDF formats into other formats, and even from PowerPoint to PDF, and repair PDF, rotate PDF images, and PDF to JPEG, PDF to Word, protect your PDF, compress your PDF, edit PDF, a whole lot of things you can actually do with that, and even optimize PDF for the web. This is cool. And EPUB to PDF, the tool is really cool. And the third one on here, you see, I also love this a whole lot, and this and the investitech.com PDF solutions. You can download it for free. You can do a whole lot with this as well. See, you can convert PDF files to all major formats, create PDF files from WebP images, edit PDF, extract images. That's extract all images from PDF as individual image file. This is cool. And as well, extract scanned PDF content using OC Arrow with multi-language support. And I see a whole lot of persons selling this service on Fiverr. So this is really cool. I hope you are taking note and jotting all these down so that you can make use of it later. So you can download it for free. It is free majorly. There is the premium version of it as well. So that's it for this, and when we come back and the next tutorial training, we are going to be taking a look at how you can convert from PDF to that's creating training video from PDF. So once again, thank you and God bless, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.